Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you 5 important updates to check every day in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the web browser updates. So whatever web browser you are using on your Windows computer, just open it and just click on these 3 dot icons on the right top corner and click on this help. Now you can see here about Google Chrome. Click on it and now it will start checking for updates. So you can see in my case it's up to date. So perform this update check of your respective web browser every day. On the second list we have the antivirus updates. So whatever antivirus you are using, just open it. So right now I'm using a inbuilt Windows security or the Windows Defender antivirus, whatever you want to call it, and just click on this virus and treat protection. And below you can see here protection updates. Just click on it. Now click on this check for updates. So finally you can see my antivirus security intelligence is up to date. So you can see my virus database is up to date. So perform this antivirus updates every day. On the third list we have the Windows system updates, which also includes the device driver updates. So just open the Windows settings and just click on this Windows update option. Now just click on this check for updates. So finally you can see my device is up to date. As you can see, Windows update is you are up to date. So perform this Windows system updates, which also includes the device driver updates also. So do this every day. On the fourth list we have the Microsoft Store updates. So just open the Microsoft Store application and just click on this library, click on this get updates. So finally you can see all my Microsoft Store applications or games are up to date. As you can see here, it's already mentioned your apps and games are up to date. So perform this Microsoft Store updates too. On the fifth list we have the software package updates. So just right mouse click on your Windows Start icon and just click on this Windows Terminal admin. Now just type winget space upgrade space dash dash all. Just type this command winget upgrade dash dash all and hit enter. So you can see no install package found matching input criteria. So all my software package are up to date. So perform this software package updates too. So these are the 5 important updates to check every day in Windows computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.